Okay, so this video is going to be on how to take before and after pictures. So right now I want to show you, so this is a little ring light. You just clip it on the side of your phone, and then there's a few little buttons and for different brightness levels. I do everything on the max brightness. And something to help your lighting, you want lighting coming towards your client, but from far away. So for example, this is not directly pointing on my client. It's ambient lighting from the side. And this window behind me, which I'll show it a different, oh, there we go, perfect. So it's not shining directly in my client's face. Notice that this window is actually, the blinds are shut, but the window beside it is open. So you don't want direct heavy lighting pointing, because that's going to create shadows. So you want overall bright, and I try to get as many mirrors as possible in my room because it reflects the lighting, so that it's from any angle you don't get shadows, and from any angle you have a brightness. So that's step one, is getting good lighting in your room. And I have several different sources. I have my obvious overhead lighting. I have my my lamp, my my chandelier, which by the way is like $60 on Amazon, and it's just a swag chandelier. Just plug it in. And then I've also got a bar light over there. And then of course my windows, and again, lots of mirrors. Lots of mirrors in your studio spaces, guys. It'll reflect the light so that it, like if you look at my face, guess what? I don't have perfect skin. It looks amazing because of the lighting. I actually have concealer on, that's it. I'm in mommy mode right now. P.S. Just had a baby. Don't judge this like gooey thing that's happening. So anyways, so yeah, let's talk about photos. So again, clamp it on the side of your phone like this. I'm gonna do a separate video on editing and the apps that I use, but for now we're just gonna focus on the pictures themselves. So I have numbed this client. This is my sister-in-law. My wife. My wife. Yes, accurate. Anyways, so I'm just gonna take off. Oh, these aren't normally this hard to put on.
Sorry, I can't feel my eyebrows.
Okay, so. Let's keep it a little. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna cut it. I'm just gonna cut it right.
So 7th time's the charm. I kid you not, I ripped 2 more gloves. 2. But guess what? I figured out how to put a glove on my hands, guys. So, okay, so come close to me. I'll show you this. So without the light, can you see my phone screen?
Absolutely.
Okay, so without the light, okay, and do you see how if I move, see how there's a shadow from my phone on her face? And for example, right here, do you see the clarity? Now watch this. 1, 2. Do you see how much better this is getting? 3. Look at that.
Do it all from the start again. I got a better angle right now.
Look at this.
So
look at how dark it is.
Yeah, I see the shadow.
2, 3. Look at that.
Much better.
So this is why you need a ring light, guys. These are like $12. Don't be a cheapskate. Look at this. Imagine you're putting out this photo. Okay, and I just took a photo. I'm gonna do a side by side. Actually, can you close your eyes for me, cutie? Mm-hmm. Okay, and then I'm gonna go up to my third and take a picture. Okay, and I'm gonna put this side by side to show you the difference in lighting. Now, okay, so anytime I take before and after pictures, I always go one from directly overhead. You want to hold your phone like this, bam, with your hands like this, and then you can get it super. The main thing is you want it to be level. It doesn't matter if it's a little bit left or right, because you can crop that. Magic of cropping, okay? But you just want it level with their forehead, and that way you get the best angle as well. And then you're just gonna snap picture, and then you're gonna go from an angle like this, and you want to catch 3/4 of an angle, just like this. Snap. Then you're gonna step over here and snap. And I want you to practice doing this. Like, hold your phone and go left, right, left, Right, and trying to get similar positions, because having your side-by-sides be from the exact same angle, that's what's going to make your work look really legit. And if your pictures are perfect, they're going to have more faith in the fact that your brows are perfect. I know it's stupid, but it's a fact. Okay, so I also do a video of before and after. I'll show you how I do that. I start out in the middle, and then I'll click, you know, on, and I'll say, hey guys, this is a annual refill. This has actually been about 2 years. It's super faded, but give us a quick minute and we're gonna make her brows look phenomenal. And back to center, and I stop the video. So start at the center, go left and right. Now, then you can use a brow brush if you want to, and this takes lots of practice, guys, with one hand, handy dandy, super complicated, but then you can take your brow brush and brush and brush.
Excuse me.
You're good. Okay. So I've got my video, I've got my pictures. This is what I do. I take a full face. I don't force my clients to post their full face photos. I take it, I edit it, I send it to them, and I say, do you feel comfortable having me post this? Most of the time, I edit their skin so it's glowing. I never edit the brows. Don't do that. That's not cool. But 9 times out of 10, I make them look so beautiful. They're fine with me posting their video. So, I'm sorry, not their video, their full face picture. So that's what I do. You don't want somebody not coming to you because they don't want their full face being blasted on, you know what I'm saying? So I don't ever require that. If somebody feels uncomfortable, I don't do it. So here's how we take a full face picture, guys. Okay, so I just want to show you. So if you just like get real close, look at this. Can you see how unflattering this is? Let's just look at this. I'm gonna take a quick picture of this, bam, and I'm gonna show it to you. Now watch. So lift. Okay, and then you know how like when you take selfies, so look at how wide her jaw looks right now. So here's the trick to selfies, right? You take it from an upward angle. So you tilt the camera. We're no longer, even with her forehead, you're tilting upward. Can you get a shot from my phone from the side? Do you see that little tilt, guys? So this is not flat. This is at a tilt. Okay. So, and Callie, can you open your eyes, dear? Mm-hmm. Okay, and then always get your hand, snap, and have like a spot that you have them look at. I don't have to snap. That was actually really stupid. Okay, so look here for me. And then go ahead and take 3, because sometimes they're just in the middle of blinking. Something's happening. And then, so what you want to do is go at a slight angle. And again, tilt your phone at an angle as well. And that's how I do my full face photos. Again, later I'm going to show you how to edit these. And it's going to be fabulous.